Hello. So if you've been following my channel like at all, then you know that I get like no FPS, literally. Like look at that. That's not good. So today we're gonna change that with the 150 sub special, the PC build. So sit back, relax and enjoy this banger video. Anyways, PC building. Featuring KA Tech.
What? Seal on paar meili oli ka. Antenn. Nii palju kaameraid. Vaju niimoodi. Wow.
Ma arvan, see on suurem tegelikult.
Yeah.
What the hell is this?
Oota. Fuck.
Chinese. Jing chong chong jing chong chiono. Vot see on ikka korralik.
This is so weird, this is warranty. Kui minu oma.
Mis?
Minu oma.
Kui palju sul neid vaja on?
Mul on vist 5 sporti.
Meil on korra valgust või?
Miks meil kahtadel on? Yes people, we have 2 phones, we have the nothing phone 3 and 2.
Vaata kui hästi see motherboard läheb kokku selle GPU-ga nagu. Need riibud.
Vaata, see on reaalselt transition nagu.
Ja ongi.
So yeah, I really much enjoyed this, but my room didn't. But I cleaned it up. And now it looks like this. Alright, but now there are things that you've all been waiting for. How does it perform? Alright, last time I was getting like 20 to 40 FPS on my laptop, and let's see now, wait. Ooh. 270 if I move like 150. If I look down and zoom in. Oh damn. 1500. That's crazy. Oh wait. Now for the moment of truth. Does this work? Yes sir! Oh my god, the water is so fucking beautiful. Damn, I've been dreaming of this since like, what? 2014? Damn, bro. Alright, so the performance is crazy, right? But let's hop into some actual gameplay. And I'm out a little song on. You'll see. So yeah, this was just such an upgrade for me. And if you want to know the specs, I will put them on the screen so you can pause the video and see. But as for the other things, I will see you next time. Peace.